So we're down by my mom for a quick second before we head off to Negril. Yeah, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling, and Jillian is up here in this ackee tree.
Hi guys. I did not wake up like this. And you pick up your ackee them now? I must see 6 of them up on the ground and y'all laugh. When they have a climb tree. You catch it here today? I couldn't find the 3. Hey! You see one here so. Oh, you can't reach it. One here over the side.
Hey, mommy. Yeah.
Bunny. Climb the breadfruit tree, we have bunny. The breadfruit tree down the house?
Oh, yeah.
Jennifer climbed that tree and go and pick breadfruit. And Bunny now is supposed to be the man. Climb up down here, looking up at Jennifer.
Was Jilly to up in that tree? No.
Like our community activity, guys. Just everybody that passes can for the most part get their dinner from.
And we had dinner from this ackee tree.
Yeah, we had it yesterday with saltfish. It was actually good. Jillian made ackee and saltfish last night. See? And I thought they were butter ackee, but they're actually good ackee. So, yeah. The guy. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13.
Jilly, pick some more, car. Jilly, pick some more, car. We can make something on the beach, Jilly.
That's what she's looking for.
Okay.
I just need 3 bears. So I don't need to store ackee. Whenever I want ackee, I just...
And breadfruit, the tree down here, yeah, the breadfruit.
Yeah, I just come and get it. Because I don't really necessarily like ackee on the in the freezer. I like my ackee just freshly done. Yeah.
Guys, me and that tree. And Jilly upon. Careful, babes.
Listen to me now. As careful.
As
like,
this.
I mean, supposed to get careful.
Don't.
You're going to let me a boy. I see them in morning. Yeah. Yeah, so. Boom bang. You pick up the one, the auntie? Yeah, just, I can't find it. I'm going to find it because that was a very hard one for me to catch. Guys, I don't have a stick.
We're
making use of, I mean, a proper picking stick.
Yeah. That's actually pretty expert because that scale. See one above you there, so.
Angie, a tree actually drop.
One drop over.
One of them drop over there, so.
So one above there, so.
Which one?
You can't go reach with this stick.
Yeah, this?
No, man. Straight ahead, yeah.
But me have to come on the other branch. Listen, pick up 6 ackee me drop a while ago. 6 ackee? Yeah, man, one over the side.
You see one when me think I tell mommy about you drop over there, so you never open.
No, man, I trade them, it open.
I tell you, Jillian, because I 2 drop a while ago and one of them never open.
No, I trade them, the dip on it, but open.
There's one there right here, so.
Me have to come, me have to switch back.
One there right here, so.
And see what come off now. Love me, and I love you though.
There's some over there, so.
I want to see when come
I
down.
think they can't go reach it.
Yeah, we come down.
So I can't go over the branch. How much ackee do we have, ma'am?
See and Steven, I
Oh, yes,
can't
Steven. I don't need any ackee.
Ever play Super Mario 8? You make a jump, you only for kind, them and you drop. Exactly. And you say you're Team Mario. Tarzan and Jane.
Let's see how Jilly is going to come out.
Look them long life. See, okay.
Let me take that one here.
Low line.
I'll see one here. Come crazy.
Okay, get ready.
All right, come on. What up?
Got it.
Imani. You ain't nothing go over there. You see? That's how easy, accessible ackee is. How the ackee is. You don't have to even have a stick, really.
Yeah, this only happens in Jamaica, man. If you're hungry, there's a tree somewhere you can get some food, do some cooking. We're gonna do like an awesome cook up on these ackees. I think it's gonna be great.
Yeah, and
Probably gonna try to do it.
Don't buy ackee at the market. I'm sorry, I can't. I don't see myself buying ackee. I don't see myself buying mango, breadfruit. I don't see myself buying mango.
That's because you have all those right at home, right, Mom?
I have like awesome neighbors.
Yeah.
Everybody has a Nesberry tree, East Indiana. So let me take you. Maybe you can't go into the yard, Stephen, but I'll take you to the mango tree that is just
Next door?
yeah, waiting.
So I mean, can't go into the yard? Oh. Okay.
Just give me a camera
There you go, dude.
and I'll just go do it.
Awesome. That's why I love Jamaica. We have ackee tree, mango tree, breadfruit tree. Jamaica, nice.
It's here and it's free. It's free.
That's a lot of
I love free. So I'm gonna tie up ackee, guys.
It's well somewhere in a country
I
bag.
know, right?
Just hold the camera.
Just like that.
Then make your finger cover it.
It's recording.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna take it to my neighbor's mango tree. I'm so looking forward. And these mangoes are usually very, very, very just crazy sweet. So let me see. I was trying to call him to tell him that Stephen Philip was coming in, but I've not gotten through to him, so I'll just have to do the video for Stephen. So see these crazy mangoes. Huge. These are East Indian mangoes. See? In the next couple of weeks I'll be eating crazy, crazy, crazy mango. See? I don't even have to use a stick to get them. Yep. That's crazy. And this tree is just a faithful mango tree. Yeah. Okay. So I hope Stephen Philip is going to be around or come visit me so I can have him taste his mango. The video might not be as fancy as it ought to be because it's not Stephen Philip operating it, but hey, just for you to have a picture of the mangoes that I'll just be biting into in the next couple of weeks or so. Okay. Let's hope I capture. Let's go. You can cut it out, right? You can cut out this.
Where catch?
Huh?
Where find over there? You find mango?
I saw mangoes.
What kind of which way mango them there?
East Indian. No, they're not quite ready yet.
Oh.
They're not quite ready.
Awesome.
For the next couple of weeks or so.
Vibes. Alright guys, so we are now in beautiful Negril. I think there's gonna be some great adventures for us out here in the future. You guys can see that beautiful little island over there. We might try to get there maybe today. And of course, in Negril fashion, there are boats, glass bottom boats, parasailing, all those good stuff that happen out here. But anyway, for us, the good stuff that will be happening out here is we are going to be doing some cooking. And you know, I think it's time Jillian does some outdoor cooking. All right, Jilly. So you're going to be doing some cooking today. You're doing a dish that I did on a video before. I'm sure you watched that video. So you ready for it?
I'm gonna try.
Yeah, and Jillian is a good cook, so there's no worries about that.
I cook okay. Let's see.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Oh, and these are the akis that you picked, so.
Right. This is called a pick and cook.
Alright, so the first thing we normally do is to try to find a nice little cook spot, you know, with a nice little view for this breakfast here. I think this breakfast is deserving of a good view. I think right here is good, it's nice and leveled, so that should be good for Jill to handle. So anyway, I'm gonna get the fire started and then we can cook up this awesome dish. Alright guys, so we got 2 stoves going, they're blazing hot, so right now it's the star of the show. Who needs to take over? Are you ready?
Time.
Alright. What's your method of execution? Like, what are you planning to do exactly?
Really? What the hell?
Alright, just cook.
Just let me cook. Alright guys, this is for my water. I'm gonna be boiling some green bananas and a piece of yam. I think it's Negril yam. And I'm doing my version of the ackee and saltfish rundown. So, not the water. Putting a little salt in the pot. Cover it.
Those pots are heavy, right?
Yeah, very heavy.
One thing you have to remember, so once you're putting this on, onto this, you have to balance it because it's not the most stable.
Just balance it.
It's a bit lean.
I just have to work with it. So the pot not tumble on. Alright guys, I'm cutting up some tomatoes. I kind of pre-prepared some things from yesterday just to make it a little bit easier because, you know, we're outside and
I'm literally waiting to hear you say we're not going in.
yeah, kind of, yeah, we're outside and we're not going in, right?
Nah, we are going in soon.
That was a joke guys, we're going in 2 o'clock. Alright, I don't think I need any more tomatoes on this. I have some thyme, scallion, onions, pepper and garlic. Garlic is in there.
What would you say is like your favorite spice?
Is pepper a spice?
I mean, you said spicy, so I guess so.
Yeah. I like onions cooked up and tomatoes and green peppers. I don't think I need any more tomatoes on that. And that should be it. If you can't peel green banana, guys, you're not gonna find a husband. And yes, I'm gonna actually peel them. I'm not gonna boil them in the skin because I don't like how it tastes.
You think it tastes different?
Yeah, it does.
It does?
Yeah.
I guess it all depends on your method of action. If you want to go really quick, you can do that way. But I rather them out of the skin as well. I just want to take the food out of the pot.
Me time just me not worry about peeling out. After a great banana. This is a yam. I'm not going to peel the yam yet because I don't like when the yam boil and look discolored, and I don't have any lime or vinegar to put in the water. So you know, I think so. Water boiling up, guys. So I'm going to put on the banana, yam and stuff. Oh, I'm gonna make boiled plantain too. You have to be careful when you're peeling the yams, because if the stain of it touches your skin, that thing scratch like crazy. So I'm gonna cook up the seasoning now, guys, for my ackee and saltfish rundown. And I remember how Stephen the free moon, but you know, do a thing. Wait for the oil to get hot. Alright, so I have onions, scotch bonnet pepper, tomatoes, and garlic. I'm going to add the saltfish now. I picked up the saltfish from last night. I know you have to scald the saltfish before. You don't want it to be too salty.
You know, so me a fireman, me I go and go on the fire, you know.
More fire!
A fire? You could have mashed down somebody's right and not say me. Yeah man, so with the outer, so I'm one of the landscapers. It's here, so you don't know, so how we're going to offer. Once food are run and there's enough food, we're going to share the food as well. So, boss them smell all the pot too. Yeah man, good old coconut oil. So, we're going to have some food sharing. A nice little right here, right beside the ocean.
Pouring my coconut milk now, guys. I'm gonna make this cook down before I add the ackee. And what's so special about the ackees that we're cooking today? And we pick them. I'm sure.
That looks good.
I have some scallion. I need to cut up the scallion. I'm just gonna put it in there to boil with the coconut milk, and then I'm gonna take it out. Some more time. I don't know, some have to put a pepper in there.
The vibes.
I'm boiling some plantain, guys. You may notice that the pot look kind of purple. It's really from the stain from the banana. If you have like a lime, you can squeeze a lime in the water or a little vinegar, and that should cut that.
Or oil.
Yeah.
But we don't have that. This trip is really kind of a, for me it's a kind of a observational trip for some other trips that I have to get done. But we wanted to cook something along the way, and we're here. But tasted that, the seasoning up and everything, it's really good. Really good.
So I'm gonna add the ackee now, guys. These ackees are nice, solid ackees. Oh, and I scald the ackee with a little garlic and stuff there. I'm gonna put a little black pepper, guys. I'm not gonna use too much black pepper because you know black pepper is really not good for men. Men are not supposed to eat a lot of black pepper.
But you're not stop that shit pepper on it.
But a little bit.
A whole heap of black pepper that you know?
It's a lot of ackee.
That's a whole heap of black pepper. Black pepper like black sun at Treasure Beach. Alright, so for me personally, when it comes down to cooking with black pepper, I hardly ever use it, so this don't really matter to me. It's not like I normally use black pepper a lot in my dishes to really worry about it. So it's okay. But I am hungry, and yeah, just I'll wait for the chef.
We're ready now.
You ready?
I'm gonna share. Yeah, man, I'm hungry too.
Vibes.
I'm hungry bad.
Alright, so Jillian gone to find the groundsman for serving my plate, and I have to manage a pot. Like, what do I know about a fire? Alright, so we found our guests. I can't leave this right here. Yeah.
We never even get your name.
My name is Ron.
Ron?
Yeah.
Okay, nice to meet you. I'm Jillian, and that's Stephen.
And if we don't get an example of cooking banana like that, and the water don't block.
Leave it in the skin.
Definitely.
Me know, but me know.
Let me know, just two.
Cut it. Pull the skin.
Oh, so there's two.
With the skin, yeah.
Ah,
Thank you for that, Ron.
I'm sure we don't have no, because we normally put vinegar in there. That's the skin.
Just cook
Skin.
with the
Skin.
Then never come the water pretty like you can't drink it, man.
That's something to learn today. Hear that, guys? So Ron just passed you around, say if you want to, if you don't have vinegar or oil or whatever, you can just leave 2 of the bananas with the skin on.
Yeah.
So I'm definitely gonna try that in our next video.
Yeah, man, try it, man. I tell you.
Definitely gonna try
Call
that.
me name again, so that.
Our vibes, Rod.
Yeah, man, I tell you.
stir around. Sure. These things happen when you're cooking outdoor, guys.
Nice, man.
This one is yours.
Thank you.
You can tell me how it is. And we're going back to Calabash, gold days. The real deal.
Me eat this. What are this?
It's a long time, no?
Long time, man.
Smell it right away, though.
Yeah. They're cooking here. Food one. Yo, me taste the coconut milk and everything in the food, trust me.
Right.
Yeah, man. Me no believe say a town. Me feel say a countryside more you come from it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Me not lie. First of all, me did a watch out and stuff and they peel the banana.
Oh yeah, watch me, I'm never see you.
Some town girl can't peel banana for me and so leaves up there. Thanks still, yeah.
Bless you.
Nice to meet you, Ron.
Yeah, man.
Alright, take care.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we just got done eating. The food was good. I think the only thing I could say, needed a little bit more salt. Would you agree? No, really? The saltfish was like
Fresh.
yeah. That happens to me all the time when I'm cooking, especially saltfish. Sometimes you boil it out a little bit too much and then it loses that saltiness. Happens to me all the time. But anyway, I'm gonna get some stuff for us to go out and swim. But the dish was really fantastic. I think you guys should always go out there and try that dish. It was full of flavor, the herbs, all of that. The milkiness was good. You guys heard what Ron said. Really good dish. And Jilly doesn't cook like no uptown girl. She cook like a real country girl. So it's a vibe. What are you doing?
Come and put me in this picture.
Oh my god, her name is so hard to remember. Omish, don't tell me. I'm not good at names, you realize that? Omiko.
Like you, me,
You,
you, me and I, me and I, Marco and Inky. You, me, Koi.
oh, Yumiko. It's Japanese.
Yeah. But it's Omiko.
Shum, Baga. That's actually Japanese. I think it means crazy, stupid, or dummy. Baga.
Baga.
I watch a lot of anime. Well, I used to when I have the time. Watch my life again, friend.
Hey, watch.
Hot. All right, so those two yellow things that she has on her back, those are floaties that are serving as like a marker as well. So we are going to do a bit of snorkeling. So you realize there's a lot of boats that pass here, so we don't want to get knocked in the head. So we gotta have floaties or little markers. Excited?
Very excited. Hot. Yeah, cool down.
Of course you are.
Right.
Alright, so I think we are here to sand landing. Is it here? I would think we passed it. Yeah, we definitely did pass it. Have you ever been snorkeling before? Kind of.
Yeah, it was kind of lame.
But I know you're a good swimmer. You're an excellent swimmer.
I was with experienced people. Yeah, just messing around and things.
Yeah.
Yeah, so hopefully it'll be better.
All right. So it's have a purge valve. So basically what it's supposed to do is when you blow, it can purge out the line. Typical style of like professional one, they just run through it, just wash it off, rinse it off, spit it, whatever. Find that in? Always walk backwards. Alright, just be careful, the sea urchins are on the flooring. And you walk backwards.
How I even know when I see a sea urchin? That's one?
Oh, they're black with some.
The red on top of your shoulder?
Yeah.
So what do you do with this now? Tie around here?
You got your hydrocortisone inside there. Whoever left that last, so that's kind of cool.
Can I give me a spoon?
So we just swam across the hedonism. Is it true? Huh? The nude beach. I never held one of these before.
You feel them now, you're gonna feel like. Let's have it now. That was amazing.
The water is so warm, right?
Yeah, very warm.
Really warm.
Really nice. Feel like a little mermaid.
Yeah, it's in the pocket thing. So, tomorrow, like you suggested, we will go to the island. We'll wake up at 5.
Yes. The sunrise is at 5:49.
Uh-huh.
So we're gonna get up at 5. Kayak over to the island to watch the sunrise.
That's gonna be epic.
It should be.
Alright guys, so got showered and everything, and always in Negril, it's like one of the best places to catch the perfect sunset. It's just amazing the kind of sunset that you catch in Negril. And we are here to catch this fantastic one. It's just so amazing, man. Look at that sunset. Wow. Alright guys, so that would have been a perfect moment to send my drone over there, but I don't even know. At this point, I don't know where the GoFundMe has gotten to. But if we haven't gotten to the goal, remember, click the link in the description box. Help a brother out, because we are going to get a drone up and running. It's a huge part of filming, and it takes you guys into the experience some more. But anyway, thank you so much guys for hanging with Jilly and I today. We had a fantastic day. Thanks Jilly for cooking up the food today. You see me? It's always good to, well, I've eaten from you already. Like, Jilly's been cooking for me since we've been here, and the food has been chef's kiss. Anyway, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.